Do you find yourself hitting the record button and drawing a blank, or taking hours upon hours to film one video and coming away frustrated because it just didn't come across the way you wanted it to? Let's talk about how you can create a solid outline for your videos so you can save time and create a video you're proud to share. Firstly, what is your central theme or message? Your videos should always focus on one topic, one question, one outcome for your audience. Putting too many different messages in one video can leave viewers confused or unsure what piece of advice to take action on. When you're planning out your video, make sure all of your talking points focus on one thing. If you do have a lot of information on one topic, you could create a series that looks at different subtopics. This will give your viewers a comprehensive explanation of the finer points you want to get across, and it'll give you an opportunity to post more videos. Who is your target audience? Directing your video at one person will help you target your content, language, and energy. I imagine talking to one person every time I record a video, and I give them an identity and imagine I'm talking to them and only them. Who is the person you are trying to reach when you create videos? What's their story? What are their fears? How can you help them? Rather than talking to the whole world and hoping to connect with someone, talk to the person you want to connect with directly. The right people will come and the rest will fall away. To find out how to use the one-person visualization technique to connect with your audience, check out this video. Next, write out your talking points in bullet form. Now it's time to dump everything on paper. I like to call it the word vomit phase. It doesn't have to be pretty. It's all about getting your ideas out so you can step back and start to create the outline of your video. When you put everything down on paper, it helps you see how your video will flow. You can just hit record and start talking, and for some people, this comes really naturally, but it can cause you to jump from one talking point to the next without a logical direction and flow. This can become a problem in the edit when each section doesn't have a start, end, and segue into the next. Designing an outline can save you a lot of time in the back end. Once you've made a few videos, you might decide you like to record just using bullet points, or you can write a full script. I love writing. I definitely consider myself a natural writer before a natural speaker. So quite often I write a full script and read it from an auto cue. This saves so much recording and editing time, and I can usually record multiple videos in one sitting. Who doesn't love batch recording? It also means I won't miss any of the important points I want to cover, and I can design the flow of the video so it all ties in neatly. If you'd like to learn more about using an auto cue, you can check out this video. Keep your intro as short as possible. Cut right to the chase. We all know our attention spans are getting shorter without statistics having to tell us that. But just for some fun, researchers studying human attention spans have suggested that the average has declined from 12 seconds in the year 2000 to 8 seconds in the year 2013 to only 6 seconds in 2019. If your viewer doesn't have a reason to watch your video in the first 6 seconds, then they could have already scrolled on. So use a hook at the start of your video to grab your viewers' attention. Tell them exactly what they're about to spend their time on and get straight into it before they even have a chance to think about it. Which brings us to the next point. Get your message across in as little time as possible. Short intro, efficient content. Bringing it back to the importance of creating an outline, having a rough direction and central focus will help you stay on track and get your message across quickly and efficiently. It's totally fine to go off on tangents as long as it's relating to your focus point. And you can always edit it if you find you've gone on a massive detour. Take as long as you need to get your message across and not a moment more. Finally, Use a call to action at the end. Now it's time to finish strong. Ask your audience to engage with you. Give them a direction and make it easy. It could be clicking a link, subscribing to an email list or your YouTube channel, but make it one action that is easy to do. And only give them one option. Too many options are overwhelming and they may end up doing nothing at all. Make it clear what you want them to do and direct them straight there. I hope this helps you to save time making your next video, and I can't wait to see what you create. Make sure you hit subscribe for more video tips and techniques, and I'll see you in the next video.